Hello everyone, welcome back. Want this? Smooth zoom out for TikTok and Reels edits. Okay, let's start the tutorial. Be ready with your clips in After Effects. Now add S-Blurmo curve effect to first layer. For this effect you need Sapphire plugin, so make sure you have or install before you start editing. Follow my settings. Set warp X and Y value to reflect. Now we add keyframe to Z distance at the start of the clip. And change the value of it. I am adding 0.700. You can add according to how much zoom you need. At the end of the clip make Z distance value 1. Press U while selecting layer to see keyframes. Now select both keyframes and easy ease them. Open Graph Editor and try to make exact graph like this. This is main step. This will give smooth zoom out effect to our clip. And boom, our effect is ready. Now we have to apply on other layers. For copy effect, select both keyframes and S-Blurmo effect in Effect panel, then use Ctrl+C. And then select other clip and paste F on it. Your second clip duration may be different from first clip, so don't forget to adjust keyframes. While dragging keyframe you have to hold Alt key, otherwise graph would be change. Paste effect on all layers and your cool edit is ready. This is our final result. Now guys, you also can use zoom out for your edits. Thanks a lot for showing love on 4K quality video. Those you didn't see that video, make sure to watch it. And don't stop supporting. I am here to help you with everything. If you any doubt you can DM on Instagram, link is in description. Till then, bye bye.